So good. So make us see if I ear go burn up and drop off. What do you want to be when you grow up?
An adult.
Hey Hastings fam, welcome back to another vlog. Wait, look. What is it?
Chocolate egg.
Sunny cow. You need some help? Let's see what's inside. You need some help?
No.
Sure?
Yeah. Yeah, I need some help.
You need some help? Okay, mommy, some help.
Hello.
Was covered. Amira, what's in that one? Alright, so we got home. I'm tired, so I actually got my nails done today, and this is them there. Like, I did like a whole new shape and like a different kind of design to what I usually get. They're okay. I think I'm gonna go with like a different shape next time. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, today let me just kind of give you guys a rundown, because I actually wanted to take you guys along today, but it was such a shit day. Like, it was just raining and miserable and stuff all day, so I didn't actually get to vlog. But we just went around like town and popped into Primani, but they didn't have much. Popped into somewhere else, but I didn't have much either. I don't know. I feel like I'm finding more of the things I like for like Amira and myself online rather than in store. And I tend to get like overwhelmed a lot when I go in to shop in stores now, especially if there's like a lot of people in it, and I feel like that distracts me and like has an impact on my shopping experience, and I just kind of don't want to be there. So yeah, it's kind of what happened today. Come back now, I'm gonna have a cup of tea obviously, and I don't know if I'm gonna have dinner. I don't really have like an appetite, but we'll see. I'm gonna watch something on Netflix now. Oh my gosh, so much. Okay, so we're hoping to launch the books and stuff within the next 2 weeks, and things have been slowly arriving and production is about to start, and I'm so excited, guys. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I've redesigned, we've rebranded Artful itself, and also my volume 1 and thing. So we're actually, when we launch, it's like the books are gonna look slightly different as well, which I'm excited about. And yeah, obviously I'm gonna get little clips of production for you guys, because I know you guys like behind the scenes. If you have any business related questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer them in the next video. But yeah, I'm so excited. So Amira actually took herself off to bed. She said she was tired and she wanted to go to bed. So I said, okay. It's only like 6 o'clock, but it was a long day, to be fair. It was a long day. So anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. If anything, I'll capture some little moments because I'm gonna do some testing with the machine and stuff. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you in the next clip.
Oh, thank you.
Disappear hair?
Disappear hair? Oh, I love his
That's
hair.
why disappear here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy.
Yeah.
So nice.
Oh, look at me. That's happy guys.
What is
That's-
reason?
That you and Grandpa.
The south.
So-
Take a picture.
What does this say? How is your grandpa?
How you Grandpa? Happy Father's Day, Grandpa.
Good girl, is that what it says?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I see all the apple pie.
It's an apple pie?
I put my name. I will put it on the. What is it? Apple pie.
So it's halfway through the week and I don't know, I'm just in a down, very low energy mood this week. Not quite sure why. I'm just like really tired and whatever. Anyways, I hope you're having a better week than I am. Honestly, so good. I am actually getting everything in order for the books. So what is basically happening right now is the website is almost done, in the sense where I've put like it together and the books are on there and stuff, but there's back-end stuff that we need to do before we launch. I'm also almost done getting everything together, and in terms of the books being actually made, I'm about to start like this week. So I'm gonna do a batch to begin with, that way when people order I can just do packaging and shipping and done. I'm trying to avoid done to order as much as I can, but obviously depending on how demand goes, we may, that's what happened last time, we may fall into like a waiting period, but I'm hoping to avoid that. But it all depends, because it's just one of me, right? It's just one of me. I am hoping and praying. I'll be so busy that I can't keep up, but we'll see what happens when we launch. The aim is to ship internationally, but that part is a bit more on the tricky side. So definitely, obviously here in the UK we're doing it so that shipping is free, postage is free. That's how we're setting it up to be for here in the UK. But for international shipping, it will obviously be different.
A yoga doctor and that's for me.
Okay. So these are yogurt drops that Amira absolutely loves, don't you? Yeah. This is raspberry flavor. What have you been learning?
Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Me, when my people will go up?
Yeah, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Adult.
Adult. Yeah, but when you're an adult, what do you want to do? What do you want to be? Sit up.
I want to be the doctor when I'm adult.
A doctor?
Yeah.
The heart?
Yeah.
Which one?
Yeah, I do anything I want.
You can do anything you want.
Yeah,
That
I
is
don't
so
talk.
true. What's your favorite animal?
Oh, a T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Yep.
What's another habitat?
Oh. Who lives on the snow?
Where?
A polar bear.
In the snow. Yeah, that's the Arctic. Polar bear, good girl. And what else? What other animal lives in the Arctic?
Okay.
So give me an animal.
Stop.
You listen to me.
Stop.
Amira, you listen.
to me.
No, you listen to me.
No, listen to me.
Okay, what are you trying to say to me?
Can put polar on the show and penguins on the pool?
Yes. Okay.
Yay!
Thank you for that information. Can I have a say now?
Okay.
Can you listen to me now?
Okay.
Good job. So what I'm saying is the ocean as a habitat is the animal that has to live in there and breathe in the water. So can you give me an animal that lives in the ocean?
Oh yeah. In the base.
In space. Planets live in space.
Is the Earth? Where from that Earth?
Earth. We live on Earth, yeah.
Where is the moon? Where is the moon?
Who lives on the moon?
Me.
No. People travel to the moon, but nobody lives on the moon. What other planets are in space?
Yellow something.
The yellow one? Yeah.
And have a big ring.
The ring, yeah, that's
yeah.
Saturn, yeah.
And that is plastic. It's Saturn.
Saturn.
Yeah.
What about the little one? The little baby one is Pluto, I think. Is it Pluto?
Oh yeah, it's Pluto. It's so cold. My talk is brown, Mommy.
Yeah, it is brown.
Yeah, because I eat the warrior.
Talk to the Hastings fam. Tell them where we are.
Mommy, that has toys.
Refreshing or wonky? Refreshing or wonky?
I heard you like wonky. Well, apparently we're doing a food shop, so let's just see what we get. We've got no list, just vibes. I'm not going to end up literally. Yeah. Wow, what is it?
It is uncomfortable.
Okay. You want to hug? Oh, sorry.
Losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Did we fit?
Twist. Let me help you, sweetie. No, we don't touch it. Love. We don't touch it. Let me help you. Wait.
All nice and clean.
All nice and clean.
Nothing for me.
Yeah.
Bless you. Who's that?
Thank you.
Is that you?
Yeah.
No, it's not me.
Not you? Well.
I silly girl.
You silly girl. You silly girl.
What?
We are going to. She did so good mopping the floors. Hey, Sing Sam. We finished clean now. We had some lunch. What we're gonna do now is what? Oh, we're going to actually what we're doing? Oh, I'm gonna cream Shanice's hair.
Yeah.
I haven't relaxed hair in.
No. You come here. What already?
No, not yours. Auntie Shan's. I'm gonna do Auntie Shan's hair.
I want you.
Yeah, you can watch me. So Auntie Shan, imagine we're done cleaning, but Auntie Shan is now finding spots on like the most random places ever. Anyway, so I haven't relaxed hair in years. I used to do, I'm talking. I used to do my hair and Nana's hair back in the day when we were relaxed. If you didn't know, I had relaxed hair, and that's really what got me started on YouTube. Yes. So, me go see if her ear go burn up and drop off. It's not. I don't know. I only joking.
Anyway.
There are wigs. So that's what we're gonna do. And also, I have to bind some books today, so you guys are gonna see that as well. And oh my gosh, so should I do vlogmas this year?
Yes.
Bitch. My sister-in-law just said, bitch. Like, what? So what I need to do, I'm gonna have to start practicing, because obviously vlogmas is a vlog every day. I have to see how I can create content it's every day until the 25th. Okay. So I have to see how I can make content out of my boring day. Like, my days are so boring. Like, it's just like
boring in December.
Okay, so we have to really plan then, Shan. Right. If we don't do vlogmas, it's because she didn't do a content plan for me.
Wait a second. This all relies on me.
Yes.
Jesus.
This is all down to you arranging content for us to do.
That's it. I'm not gonna say it.
So guys, she is super obsessed with the movie Wanda on Netflix, which is about Augie. And Augie had lots of surgeries in the hospital, so he has scars all over his face, doesn't he? Yeah. So she watches this film like right now for the past 3 days every day. So what we learned is that some people look different, don't they?
It was nice to meet you.
Yeah. Some people look different, but everyone's beautiful.
No yapping.
You don't laugh at people. No, we don't laugh at people when they're different.
Mommy,
Yeah.
where's Santa that pizza?
I don't know. So, give me cuddles. I want cuddles.
And
Oh.
then that's what Hasty fans.
What?
That's not fancy what, Mommy. I gonna have to say that's what Hasty fans.
It was really good.
Yeah, we're gonna do Auntie's hair. So we're using the olive oil, and it comes with this. This is the relaxer base. Also comes with replenishing pack, hair conditioner,
Hi.
neutralizing shampoo,
Hi.
activator. So this goes in the cream and you mix it.
Hi.
Put my gloves on.
Hi.
Yes, hi Hastings fam. Wait, what, Auntie's hair? Okay. They're beautiful. So beautiful. 1 second, let me, is that hot? Oh no, I'm sorry.
Pirate cookie are.
But I don't
Wait, let me finish drying here.
Oh.
Guys, it's like 11 o'clock at night. Mira hasn't seen these times in... You have to be gentle, baby. Gentle on the ends. Only on the ends. I heard clunk. Right, so it is that time. It's time to say goodbye. And that we will see you next week. Have an amazing week. Make sure you work hard, put everything in, and just remember, I have a thought of the week. I haven't done a thought of the week in a long time, but let me tell you, I saw this video and it really stuck in my head, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So it's about how we view things and how we view life. So say for example, your goal is to go to school, and you can view it as, oh my gosh, I've done so many applications, I haven't heard anything back. Gosh, what if I fail? How am I gonna get into the school? Yada yada yada. Or you can view it as, I am going to get in, I will be getting in, I will be getting to the school that I want. And it's funny because a lot of the times as humans we tend to focus on the negative, so we think, oh gosh, what if. But the guy was saying, if you focused and thought of it in a positive way, it'd be amazing to see how much it impacts on the actual outcome of that thing. Tell me if you not follow me now. Tell me if you not follow me. Anyways, so I wanted to share that with you guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and share everywhere, and tell everybody to run come over here, so come subscribe and enjoy yourself. Oh my god, I haven't asked you guys what you had for Sunday dinner. When did I stop doing that? What did you cook for Sunday dinner? Stop, baby. What did you cook for Sunday dinner? What did you have? What did somebody cook and give you? Oh my god, comment it down below what you had for Sunday dinner. I cannot believe I haven't done that in a long time. Oh, no, comment and ask me. Oh, me not ask. Me not understand. Anywho, guys, let me do a quick post notification.
So how did you just go from...
So on the last video, let me quickly... So Queen Kim says, loving the makeup looks, every single one. Thank you so much. Thank you, girl. I appreciate it. Next one, let's do Janelle. Happy to see you, Mitty, and your mini-me. I remember your friend from the old vlog. Shout out to you. You're a real OG. When you were living in England, I never had persimmons. I always like the videos as they start and watch all the ads to support the Hastings fam. Oh my god, you a real one.
I turned the TV on.
Oh, no, you can't. Let me finish. And the last one goes to Sarika Clark. Happy Sunday to my Hastings family. Hope you all had a God bless Sunday. Love today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, Sarika. Let me just do a last one, a really quick. New subscriber here. Hi, Stacey Ann. Next one. Kate is a great action movie. Watch it on Netflix. Thank you so much. Other one says, okay, Nick Berry. OMG, been watching you from 2017 when I found your channel through Petite, and last vlog was my first time commenting. Thank you so much. Thanks for the shout out. Oh, you got 2. Shout out to you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching as usual. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate you guys joining us on our weekly vlogs. Y'all, she's about to pass out. I'm about to pass out. So it's bedtime for us. Have a great week, Hastings fam. And we'll see you in another video. Bye. Say bye, baby.
Bye.
Say bye, auntie.
Bye. I'm so tired.
We're tired. Bye.